From the industry leader in high-performance audio, Yamaha introduces the S801 integrated amplifier. With advanced technologies housed in a timeless design, the S801 delivers exciting, dynamic audio with a refined, beautiful appearance. Notice the aluminum front panel's textured hairline finish with luxurious dials and switches. Underneath the amplifier is a double-bottom chassis design with the anti-resonance and tough bass which shields from unwanted high-frequency noise and vibrations to offer a pure, articulate listening experience. Connect your TV and Blu-ray player using the optical and digital coaxial inputs. Additionally, hi-fi enthusiasts can enjoy the next generation of high-resolution audio with the built-in USB DAC function that utilizes the high-performance ESS Sabre 32-bit Premier 2-channel digital-to-audio converter. For legacy audio devices, gold-plated inputs and speaker terminals ensure high conductivity that prevents signal loss, giving you rich, dynamic sound. Only very high-quality parts carefully selected and tested are used in Yamaha amplifiers, allowing the S801 to effortlessly deliver audio that will astound you. With a straight connection to the CD input, CD direct amplification maximizes your CD source's signal-to-noise ratio. Engaging pure direct mode allows signals to travel the shortest possible circuit route, bypassing the buffer amp and the tone, loudness, and balance controls to virtually eliminate any signal degradation for the purest sound quality. The S801 also features a continuously variable loudness control to provide full tonal range at any volume level, compensating for the natural loss in the human ear of high and low frequencies at lower levels. With stunning, natural sound performance, high-quality components and inputs, and a flawlessly elegant appearance, the S801 takes your home theater to a whole new level of power and performance.